How to log into another Snapchat profile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now if you want to log into another Snapchat profile and you have multiple accounts on a device, on the same device, you can simply tap on your profile at the top left corner. Now select on the gear icon and then scroll down to the very end, and here you can see the option of logout. So simply tap on logout and then tap on logout again. As you tap on logout, you will be able to see there are different other accounts that you have associated in this device. So you can just select whichever you would want over here. You can just tap on it and then you'll be able to log into another Snapchat profile. But if you want to create it, then what you can simply do is tap on this line up option at the bottom left corner. And here you just have to mention your first and last name. So let me enter that. And then tap on agree and continue. Now mention your birthday over here, and here it gives us the username, so you can change if you want, but if not then you can just tap on continue again. Here you have to set a password and then you'll have to just log in with certain email ID over here, and as you do that you can log into another Snapchat profile. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.